guys? Anthony here from Finding Our Adventure. Today we're up on a Forest Service road overlooking like Ice House Canyon and I think it's Middle Fork or Lytle Creek. We had a permit to go to Stonehouse today, but the like 2 or 3 mile Forest Service road was closed and apparently unpassable, so we don't want to park down there because your vehicles get, apparently they get broken into a lot. So we came up, or Matt came up with Plan B, which is cool. We're up here. I don't know what this place is called. I'll write it in the bottom down below. But cool little Forest Service road to take up. Definitely need 4-wheel drive. A little hairy in spots, but we're up here a couple thousand feet of elevation. Got some cool views, and just gonna eat a miso soup. We initially planned for overnight, but we might just spend the day here, so we'll see what the day holds. But this still beats being at home, that's for sure. Ooh, that's hot.
It's not optimal, but here's the thing, like, remember what I was doing with the Lightmax and the 600? I was building, like, my own windbreak.
If they just attached freaking legs on that stove, it'd be amazing.
You know?
Yep.
It's super long, though. That's the problem.
You know what I used to use,
Yeah,
though?
that too.
When I had the little Sammy, the cap of the little Sammy, I used to put my stove on there, and I had a piece of Reflectix that would go around the cap, and it created this like perfect environment for the thing. So that's why I gotta see if I can, see if I can find a piece of Reflectix that's long enough for this, and just place my stove on top of this. And because you know the Reflectix turns around, you know, and it'll wrap up in there, and then my stove will sit on here, and it'll, you know, be a tall piece about that big. It'll create like a perfect environment for my Lightmax and 600.
Are you recording right now, Anthony?
What? Yeah, don't worry about it.
Yeah, don't worry about it, huh?
Don't worry about it, huh?
Yeah. Tony's gonna be the only one with a video from this adventure.
It'll be out tomorrow.
Probably takes me 6 months to get this thing freaking out, dude.
It's like, I have one that I went on a hike with Huck. I went on a hike with Huck and I still haven't made the video.
I hope you have like the longest monologue over what we're saying right now.
Just eat your food and go take a freaking dump, alright? Yeah, none of this is usable.
That's what I was gonna say. You better find a really cool song, dude, to put over this.
I'm pretty sure
I thought that you got that because I left it, I threw it. It was in the trash somehow. We threw the trash out at your house when I dropped you off. And then like I got home and I was like, oh man, I think I left that in the trash. Can you check? And then it was, and I was like, I'll just go ahead and keep it.
I'm pretty sure you got this for me. All right, man. Do I do a quad miso soup?
Holy
A quad?
dude, that's like 32 ounces of water, man.
You don't think that's a lot of sodium?
Woo!
Like 2 of them?
I guess.
Alright, see, this isn't fair though. I don't have my lid on.
One's gonna absolutely smoke it, dude. Yeah, dude. The only like really positive thing about this thing is that it has a regulator like yours, you know. So it's constant stream.
Yeah.
That makes the biggest difference. That's why it pisses me off when people use like the wind burner versus like the Zip. The Zip does not have a regulator. It's just spewing gas everywhere.
Yeah,
so of course it's gonna suck.
Yeah. A rag. Oh. 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 I was waiting for yours to boil.
Dude.
Hey, but you had 2 cups of water.
Yeah.
I only had like 1 3/4.
Matt, where you going?
Jeez Louise. He's going for a hike.
I know, apparently Matt's going for a hike. Shit, sorry. I'm getting freaking loose over here.
Dude, did you not just see what I said to my
I
trunk?
know, but still, dude, that's you doing that to your truck. Bro, we just had a blowout over here, dude.
Yeah, but see, it looked cool because now I can tell everyone that my stove was faster than yours. I'll just say that I used 2 cups. Okay.
Oh, yeah, dude, I want to see those things. Uh-huh. All is my friend.
Oh yeah, I like this way better. This is quite a knobby tree though.
What'd you end up making?
Soup, chicken and dumpling.
Oh, chicken dumpling, that's right.
Yeah, have you guys had this one?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
I don't think Mountain House tastes that bad. Some people complain about it, but
As long as you have enough water in it, dude. I'd rather have it be soupy and,
Yeah.
and done than
crunchy.
crunchy, yeah. I don't.
Whoa! Yeah! I was in 8th grade when that song came out.
That song's sick, dude.
Dr. Feelgood. That's the album. 8th grade, man. You were probably 7th grade. Wait, you're in the same grade as me, right?
When did you graduate? 96. 96, yeah.
So I was the older.
Mahad.
So you were in 8th grade too when that came out.
Stop Mahad.
1989, I believe.
I was listening to hip hop back then. Because I was in Pomona, dude, and that's what everyone was listening to. So I was listening to MC Hammer and.
I got into hip hop in high school. Well, like rap, like NWA and.
Yeah.
Snoop
When I got to
Dogg,
high school, yeah, like a couple years
Dog
after.
Pound.
Couple years after middle school, it seemed like all of a sudden all my friends got into hip hop, and I'm like, dude, I've been into hip hop since like middle school. Like, a bunch of Johnny Come Latelys here.
I was a metal, like I was Guns N' Roses,
Yeah.
hardcore Guns N' Roses in 8th grade.
And I did the ska punk thing for a while, and
I did that for a little bit, like Mustard Plug, Skink and Pickle.
Mhm.
Those are 2 that I listened to quite a bit. Less Than Jake.
my first show I went to was Face to Face and No Doubt
Face to
at the
Face.
Bren Center at UCI. Remember when they used to turn that thing into a concert hall?
That was back when No Doubt was like punk.
Here's our little day spot for today. You can see my truck pulled up right next to Matt's so that we have some coverage for the shade. We're on Yellow Post site up here on this Forest Service road. And you can see way down there is the road we came off of. Whoa, sorry, way down there. So it's not a super flat site. We didn't make it all the way up the road because about 50 yards from the top, there's a massive downed tree in the way. But there's a flat spot up here, maybe like 1 or 2 flat spots down there, and then over where Steve is standing is right where the Pacific Crest Trail is, which we did walk on earlier. So cool little setup. Enjoying the day out here. You can see a PCT actually coming through right now.